Udyog Corona Kit Bag is designed for the corona patients. It have enough space to keep the towel, medicine and other belongings of the corona patients. You can buy this bag through our website or by contacting us through our contact numbers or by sending emails through our email ID. Our website is www.udyogbags.com. I repeat, our website is www.udyogbags.com. Contact numbers are +919830733448, +917044142485, +919432070430. Email sng.udyog@gmail.com. Address Udyog, Behala Industrial Estate, 620 Diamond Harbour Road, 2 room number 4B, Kolkata, 700034, India. It is opposite to Vivekananda Women's College. Bus stop is Behala Chaurasta. Please put a like and put your valuable comments in the comment section below, and do not forget to subscribe our channel to see our next video.